Hey guys, welcome back to Amri, and as you know, just recently I made a video on the topics of the region behind the battle of the Kacharis and the Karbis, and even the journeys of the Amris from the battlefield to the Inglong Maker to the Doomra land. So today I want to make a video on the topic of the establishment of the Amri Kingdom and its administration and the boundaries of the Amri Karbis till where it extends to. So let's start this video, guys. Now, as the Amris were resting on the hill of Inglong Maker at Amri Harhang, the border security force of the Khasi king saw it and informed the king that there is a group of people or tribe who has been resting inside their boundaries. And even the king's personnel also reported the king that the Amri Karbi tribe belongs to a warrior tribe. So the king called for a delegation, and knowing that the Amri Karbi tribe belongs to a warrior tribe, he settled the Amri Karbi tribe on the border area of his kingdom as a border security force, you can say, at the bank of the Brahmaputra river, and also to protect the kingdom. And then later on, the king was so pleased with the Amri Karbi tribe that he granted a kingdom to the tribe, and that kingdom was known as Desh Dommrah, and the king of that kingdom was known as Doomra Recho. And again later on, the Khasi king, and the Karbi king was so cordial with each other that both became like brothers, and they were known as like Khrim Recho and Doomra Recho. Thus the Amri Karbi kingdom was restored for the first time by the Khasi king, which the kingdom was named as Desh Dommrah, but the kingdom was treated as Khasi state. However, the autonomy was given to the kingdom as an autonomous kingdom, which was like kingdom under kingdom. And then the Doomra Recho was given the autonomous administrative power, so he ruled the kingdom with his full democratic power according to his own convenience. But later on, for the smooth functioning of the kingdom, which is Desh Dommrah, the kingdom was divided into 9 petty states, and I have already told you those states in my earlier videos, but let me remind you again. Those states are Tikira, Tentela, then Borkuchi, Nortap, Amprikula, Panbari, Beltola, Kwanchi, and Mayong. All the 9 states were ruled by the 9 kings as their own kingdom. Later on, the Doomra Recho formed a royal council with the Ason Chirkep, which is the 9 kings, and Ason Thongkep, which are the 30 Bangthe. Well, the Bangthes are the head of the village councils, assisted by the village councils with 8 members. Those are Rongsarpo, which is the advisor, Bisharpo, which is the advocate, Karkunpo, which is the judge, Hurjapo, which is the governor, Rongharapo, which is the messenger, Okleng Sarpo, which is the public relation officer, Recho Bangthe, which is the youth director, and Katharpo, which is the priest. Thus, the Amri Karbi kingdom was ruled with proper democracy to the village level, and all the 9 kingdoms were ruled under the kingship of the Doomra Recho democratically with the help of the village council. So the king rules with the help of the Ason Chirkep, which are the royal council of the 9 kings, and also the Ason Thongkep, which are the 30 Bangthes, or you can say the royal assembly, which is headed by the prime minister, which we call as the Borbangthe. All the matters are solved in the village council itself, but if any complication arises, the Borbangthe will call for the royal council with the Ason Chirkep and Ason Thongkep, presided by the Doomra Recho, who is the king of Amris, the king of kings like emperor. As you can see, the Meghalaya is in the southern part and Guwahati is in the northern part. And this whole place was under the kingdom of Khasis, including the Guwahati. So when we zoom it out, you will find this Nongpo, and this Nongpo is the boundary of Amri Karbi kingdom in the south. So I have here there is a hill called Nursi Inglong, where the actual boundary is located, and which divides the kingdom of Amri Karbi and the Khasi kingdom. Now let's go and check it out on the northern side. As you can see, this Brahmaputra river, a huge Brahmaputra river, which flows from all the way from the east to the west. So this is the boundary in the northern part where the Amri Karbi kingdom is extended till. Now let's go to the eastern part Let me show you guys. So in the eastern part, as you have seen this Jagi road, and just nearby there is this Amsoi village, and we can count till here the boundaries of Amri Karbi kingdom that extends to. And I've heard the boundaries, the wall of stones are still erected there, and I think after this lockdown is opened, I may go and check it out and show you guys. So now it's time to find out on the west part. So when we go to the west part, you can find this Rani. So till Rani on the west part, the boundary is situated of the Amri Karbi kingdom. So as we came to know now is that in the west part till Rani we can count the kingdom of Amri Karbi. On the north part there is this Brahmaputra river. On the south part there is this Nongpo here, and on the east part there is this Jagi road. So this is the history of the establishment of the Amri Karbi kingdom, its administration and the boundaries where it extends to in a nutshell. Well guys, I believe that you really like this video, and I hope that this video will be really helpful to you. And if any information I have given you in this video seems to be wrong, then please forgive me and correct me in this. You can comment me in the comment sections, or you can contact me personally. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe this channel Amrihem, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that it will notify you of more videos. Thank you so much.